Hey Carson, my name is Erin and I'm with Duff Digital Marketing, and you had spoken with my partner and husband Rob on Facebook. So as promised, I am shooting you this short video just to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I will keep this short, but if by the end of this video you can tell that that is certainly something that we specialize in and that's something that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to us and we can chat. And if not, no worries. I hope you're able to take these tips that I'll give you today and put them into action. The only thing that I do ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful for you. But we'll go ahead and get started. So the three things I'll cover are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first up is content. And I do have your Facebook page pulled up here, and Facebook is definitely a very powerful tool. But the first place that people are going to look when they're looking for services is going to be Google. And when they're looking for that and they come up with the search results, they're going to want to click on a website. So just for reference, and as far as content is concerned, I did just pull up one of the top competitors here just to kind of show you. So anything that you see here can be considered content to Google. That does also include the pictures and what the pictures are saved as well. Google usually likes to see about 1,500 words on a home page, and within those 1,500 words, companies can add keywords and key phrases kind of integrated into that content that people are going to be searching for when they're looking for a cleaning service. So I would definitely suggest getting a website and putting that content into it and kind of integrating those keywords and key phrases. That will be certainly the first step on your journey to getting ranked on Google. But that's all that I have as far as that goes. We'll move on to the next thing, which is going to be citations. So I did just pull up a quick Google search of cleaning services in your area. And the first thing you'll see is this section here. This is called the map pack, and citations have a lot to do with that section. So what a citation is essentially is your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directories, I mean things like Facebook, which you have, which is great, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, and really anywhere else that will allow business owners to add in those business details and services. So you would want to go and see where your competition is being listed within those directories, and you would want to definitely grab those listings for your company. You would not just want to stop there though. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, you want to go out and grab those 10, but then you want to double, triple, even quadruple. So they have 10, you need to get 20 or 30 or 40. That will make it to where you're completely dominating them in that space, but it will also help you to rank high here as well. So moving right along here to backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section underneath the maps. This is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there's a website out there that has a link to your website if you decide to get one. And that link is pushing power to your site, but it's also potentially driving traffic to it as well. But not all backlinks are created equal. So for example, say that you did some cleaning for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided they're going to take a link from their site and push one to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream, so it's really not going to be very helpful. You would want to get links from other cleaning companies that send a link back to your site and signal to Google that, number one, that is the industry that you're in, and number two, that you're trustworthy. That's going to be a lot more unique, but also more powerful to Google because it is relevant to your industry. So I did pull up a tool that I used here, and I wasn't able to put your business in it since you don't have a website, but I did put that website that we did just look at, just to kind of give you a visual representation of what I'm speaking about. So it's showing that they have 42 referring domains, which is giving them 99 backlinks, getting them found for 167 keywords, and that's driving about 45 people to their site per month. And let me see if I can see the keywords that they're using so I can kind of show you. All right, so we're looking for buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is anything that someone is going to think to type into that search bar when they're looking for a cleaning service. We'll also pay attention to this column here, this volume column. This number represents how many times this phrase is being searched for monthly. Let's see. So here's a perfect one. Texas Cleaning Services is a great one because it's the industry or the service that someone's looking for, plus it's the area that this particular business is trying to target. Cleaning Services, Killeen, Texas. I hope I'm saying that right. That's another great one. Maid Service, Texas. They're ranking for their business name, which isn't surprising. Let's see. Maid Service, Killeen, Texas. Texas Maid Service. So as you can see, they're using variations of kind of the same phrase as well, which is totally fine, and that will also count as a whole new keyword for you. So I won't bore you and go through all of these, but I hope that that did at least kind of give you an idea of the types of things that you're looking for and the types of keywords that you would want to kind of integrate into content on a website for you. And really, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure you're being found in a lot of the same places that they are. And as I mentioned earlier, you just don't want to stop there. You want to continually build on whatever your competition has. That's the kind of thing that's going to get you to page 1 of Google, and it'll also make it really difficult for your competition to even keep up with you at that point. But that's really all that I have for you today. I hope that this video was helpful for you. If you'd like to know more about Duff Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please do reach out to us because we would love to talk to you about that. But thanks again for your time, Carson. You have a great weekend.